So this is Brian Young, and this is the last of the 5 cars. Now, this is a very unique car because SC 359, I think, or 349. I got a bunch of these AMC 1969 AMCs, and they just sat around like nobody wanted them. Now all of a sudden I'm almost out of them. So I'm telling you right now that you should get one of these AMCs and get them fast, because all of a sudden people are going to start buying these AMCs like they're the hottest things in sliced bread.
Shipping another one. Chucky B likes those.
Chucky B. Okay, so this is the American Motors. Now, American Motors, everybody, it was basically the 4th automobile company in America. All right, and they're the ones that basically owned the Jeep license, and they're the ones that had the Pacer. They also had about 5 or 6 other cars that were very popular. They had the Pacer was the biggest dog they ever made. It was the ugliest car. But this is the AMC, and then they had the Matador. The Matador was a big seller. AMC AMX, okay? AMC AMX, and this is the pink version, and then the white and red and black version, okay? And these are really beautiful looking cars when they're driving. Good morning. Great. So this is AMC. This is the SC360. SC360. And this is the AMC AMX car. Now, I never had an American Motors car. My wife, I think Kathy, no, she had a Pinto. She had a Pinto. I never owned an American Motors car. Isn't that sweet? Oh, they also had the Gremlin. That's right. They also had the Gremlin. And that was a really ugly car. You know, but their ugly cars, it seemed like they sold. The Gremlin was a great car, though. It did sell, and it was a very popular car. And this is the 6th car of the Cars and Coffee, baby. Cars and Coffee at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. These cars are available right now. Click the notification button, the link button, and then check the link in this video, and you can go right to our store and buy these cars right now and add them to your collection, or just open up and have fun on a track.
Shipping another one, buddy.
Shipping another one, buddy. Buddy pal. ProTinkerToys. Bye.